Welcome to the craft table. So glad you could stop by. I went outside today. I went outside and chopped up some old branches. Needed the wood. Not for burning. We're going to build a bridge. We're going to find out how to make a mini wooden bridge for the fairies. Yes, I'm still working on my fairy garden. This is going to be an all summer long project. Trust me. I can't walk by it without coming up with a new idea. And actually, my husband comes up with most of the ideas. Just saying. Anyway, we need some branches. So if you got some twigs, go get them. And that's pretty much what we're going to need. Some wood. So, shall we get to work? And there it is. How easy was that? Some wire, some twigs, some twine, and glue, and we have a really nice bridge. And my husband loves to, what he calls, plastic size them. So he takes them out and sprays several coats of clear sealer on them. And I'm not going to complain because it sure does help. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I really want to thank you guys for stopping by again and sticking with me with my fairy garden obsession. And I hope you were able to find that little spark of inspiration to get your imagination going. And if you enjoyed these tutorials and would like to see more, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I really hope you have a great week. And I promise I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.